Something is breaking in Silicon Valley right now. The world's biggest tech companies made a bet on artificial intelligence. They fired millions of workers and replaced them with AI automation. They promised investors a revolution. Wall Street cheered, stock prices soared. But now the truth is leaking out. Over half of these companies admit they made a catastrophic mistake with AI replacing humans. And what they're discovering is so damaging that it could collapse the entire AI hype cycle. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your job might be safer than tech giants want you to believe. Because the AI revolution everyone promised, it's failing in spectacular ways. Let's dive in. The drive-thru disaster. McDonald's installed AI voice systems in their drive-thrus across America. The promise was simple: cut costs, speed up service, replace human workers with perfect machines. But something bizarre started happening. Orders for vanilla ice cream got responses asking if customers wanted bacon added. Another order for chicken nuggets malfunctioned completely. The system kept adding items automatically. The bill climbed to hundreds of dollars for a simple order. McDonald's invested millions into this AI technology. Then, without much explanation, they shut it all down and went back to human workers. But McDonald's wasn't alone in this AI failure. This pattern is repeating across every major industry. What I'm about to reveal goes way deeper than failed drive-thru orders. AI customer service disasters are happening everywhere. Stay with me because this gets darker. The 500 location experiment. Taco Bell deployed AI voice ordering systems to over 500 locations nationwide. Then their chief technology officer admitted something shocking to the Wall Street Journal. He said the AI system sometimes lets me down, but sometimes it really surprises me. The head of technology at a billion-dollar company can't predict if their core AI automation system will work on any given day. That's gambling with your business. But why would successful companies bet everything on unreliable AI replacing humans? The answer involves Wall Street pressure and stock manipulation hiding in plain sight. The 3,000 worker replacement. Klarna provides buy now, pay later services. In 2023, their CEO promised investors that AI would replace half the workforce within just a few years. Klarna went from 5,000 employees down to 2,000. 3,000 people lost their jobs to AI automation overnight. AI chatbots replaced them all. Wall Street loved it. Share prices jumped. For 3 months, the numbers looked perfect. Then, everything started falling apart. Problem resolution times with AI customer service increased by 27%. Bad experiences with AI automation jumped by 35% in just 90 days. The AI made bizarre mistakes. It approved leave requests incorrectly, gave dangerous advice, misunderstood urgent problems. Customers started leaving in waves because of AI failures. By 2025, the CEO completely reversed position. He publicly stated quality human support is the way of the future for us. But Klarna's AI disaster is nothing compared to what happened in education technology. What one app did to millions of students will shock you. The language learning catastrophe. Duolingo launched an AI-first strategy in 2024. Let artificial intelligence create lessons instead of human teachers. The results were catastrophic. Errors appeared in 42% of lesson content in some courses. People learning Spanish, French, and German were getting taught incorrect grammar and wrong vocabulary by artificial intelligence. User retention crashed by 18% in one quarter. People deleted the app. Revenue dropped. Brand reputation suffered massive damage. What researchers at MIT discovered about AI replacing humans proves this is a systemic crisis affecting 95% of all artificial intelligence projects. The numbers will blow your mind. The MIT research revelation. MIT surveyed 150 business leaders and 350 employees about artificial intelligence. They analyzed real financial data across industries. What they found threatens to collapse the entire AI investment bubble. Only 5 to 7% of AI implementations generate any real value or meaningful revenue. That means 93 to 95% of all AI projects completely fail. But another study by Orview revealed something even more shocking. 55% of businesses that replaced employees with AI now deeply regret that decision. More than half of these companies admit they made a catastrophic mistake with AI automation. Oliver Shaw, CEO of Orview, explained it perfectly. Businesses are learning the hard way that replacing people with AI without fully understanding the impact can go badly wrong. When researchers dug deeper, they found that a quarter of business leaders weren't sure which jobs would benefit from AI. Nearly 30% couldn't identify which positions were at risk. They were making billion-dollar decisions about artificial intelligence based on hunches and Wall Street pressure. But why would smart executives make such reckless choices? The answer involves a Wall Street conspiracy transferring trillions of dollars right now, based on lies about AI automation. The AI washing scandal. Goldman Sachs discovered something disturbing. In late 2023, about 36% of major companies mentioned AI in earnings calls. By mid-2025, that number exploded to nearly 60%. Companies that simply talked about using AI saw immediate stock price jumps, even with zero actual results. Just mentioning artificial intelligence was enough to pump stock prices higher. This created what analysts call AI washing, companies lying about their AI capabilities to manipulate stock prices. You announce layoffs claiming you're replacing humans with AI. Your stock jumps 10%. Your personal options become worth tens of millions more. Meanwhile, your actual business quietly falls apart from AI failures. Goldman Sachs estimates companies will spend over $1 trillion on AI by 2027. $1 trillion on artificial intelligence based mostly on hype rather than proven results. But one famous company nearly went bankrupt because of AI obsession. Their survival story reveals the real truth everyone's hiding. This will change everything you think you know. The Tesla automation crisis. Early 2017, Elon Musk redesigns the entire Tesla Model 3 production line around maximum automation. He calls it the machine that builds the machine. Target production of 5,000 vehicles weekly using artificial intelligence. Musk invests hundreds of millions betting everything on this automated future. Then reality hits hard. Robots installing front seats break down up to 5 times daily. Tesla's AI automation systems can't last one shift. When one robot fails, the entire line stops. Production numbers are catastrophic. Wall Street analysts predict bankruptcy. Musk makes an emergency decision, brings human workers back to replace the robots. Production slowly recovers. Musk later tweets 3 words: "Humans are underrated." Those 3 words saved Tesla from bankruptcy. The company survived only because Musk admitted his mistake with artificial intelligence and brought people back. But there's a hidden cost to these AI experiments that never shows up in quarterly reports. A human cost destroying companies from the inside. The hidden cost of AI automation. Companies implementing AI without planning see voluntary employee turnover spike by 22% in the first 6 months. Surviving employees watch colleagues get fired to AI automation. They realize they might be next, so they quit before getting pushed out. This turnover costs companies 18% more in recruitment and training. Microsoft surveyed workers. 53% worry that using AI makes them look replaceable. Another 45% fear AI will eliminate their job entirely. Employment for workers aged 22 to 25 in AI-heavy industries dropped 6% between late 2022 and July 2025. Meanwhile, spending on artificial intelligence is insane. NVIDIA AI chips cost $30,000 to $40,000 each. Meta bought 600,000 of them. That's up to $24 billion on chips alone. AI increased US electricity use by 4%. Morgan Stanley predicts $3 trillion in data center investments over 3 years. OpenAI spends $28 billion yearly. Their projected 2025 revenue? About $13 billion. Spending double what they make on AI. Unsustainable. But some companies cracked the code for AI implementation. They're making millions with artificial intelligence while keeping workers happy. This is the secret everyone's looking for. The successful AI strategy. MIT found a pattern in successful AI implementation. Winning companies pick one specific problem and solve it carefully. No mass firings, just deliberate, focused AI automation. Unity uses AI for customer support smartly. Artificial intelligence handles simple questions, while helping human agents by summarizing ticket histories. The AI system handles 8,000 tickets, saving $1.3 million annually. Zero layoffs. Hisco Insurance used AI for claims processing. Before artificial intelligence, one claim took an hour. With AI automation, 10 minutes. 6 times faster, no job losses. Logistics companies using AI with human oversight cut late deliveries by 18%. Workers using ChatGPT save 1 to 5 hours weekly. Companies buying specialized AI tools from experts succeed 67% of the time. Companies building their own succeed 1/3 as often. The truth about AI replacing humans. After billions wasted, the truth is clear. Artificial intelligence isn't the problem. AI implementation is everything. Companies planning carefully with AI see incredible results. Productivity up 35%. Costs down 27%. The 95% failure rate isn't because AI doesn't work. It's because companies rush without training or planning. Winners train extensively by proven AI tools. Implement artificial intelligence gradually. They understand AI enhances humans instead of replacing them. Remember, 55% of companies regret AI replacing humans. Right now, they're quietly backpedaling, posting jobs for eliminated positions, rehiring workers, hoping nobody notices their billion-dollar mistake. The future of work with AI. Artificial intelligence will change work. But the lesson that costs billions is simple. Technology without strategy is expensive chaos. The future of work isn't humans versus AI. It's humans working with artificial intelligence using strategy, not hype. Companies that figured out smart AI implementation are thriving. More profitable, happier employees, satisfied customers. Companies that didn't, spending billions cleaning up disasters they created. Have you dealt with terrible AI customer service? Has artificial intelligence affected your job? Share your story in the comments below. If this opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. I'm exposing the AI failures billion-dollar companies don't want revealed, the disasters they're hiding, the expensive lessons they learned. Click subscribe, turn on notifications. The next video might be even more shocking. See you there.